Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Cybersecurity Hub. Today we are going to dive into a very serious topic, that is, are you hacked? Cyber attacks are on the rise and your personal or work devices could be compromised without you even knowing. In this video, I will show you the top warning signs that your device might be hacked and, most importantly, how to fix it. Let's get started. In this section, we are going to dive into the topic, the warning signs of a hack. Is your computer or phone running much slower than usual? Hackers often use malware to steal your data and causing your system to lag. Are you seeing random ads or pop-ups even when you are not browsing? That's a major sign of malware, like adware running in the background. Check your bank and online accounts. If you notice strange purchases or money transfer that you didn't make, your credentials may be stolen. If you suddenly can't log into your accounts and your password doesn't work, hackers may have taken control of your accounts. Check your device for any software you don't remember installing. Hackers use malware disguised as a legitimate program. If your friends say they are getting weird emails or social media messages from you, your account could be compromised. If your camera lights blinks or you hear unusual noises through your headphones, someone could be spying you on remotely. Your internet usage suddenly spikes or unknown devices appear on your Wi-Fi network, a hacker might be using your connection. In this section, we will try to brief what to do if you're hacked. Step 1. Disconnect from the internet. If you suspect a hack, turn off your Wi-Fi and disconnect from the network immediately. Step 2. Change your passwords. Use a secure device to change your passwords for all critical accounts, emails, banking, and social media accounts. Step 3. Run a security scan. Use a trusted antivirus or anti-malware software to scan and remove any threats from your devices. Step 4. Check for unauthorized devices and sessions. On your email or social media accounts, look for active logins from unknown locations and sign out from all of the devices. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security by enabling two-factor on all your accounts. Step number 6. Update your software. Make sure your operating system, apps, and antivirus are all up to date to patch all the vulnerabilities. Step 7. Contact support or authorities. If financial accounts are involved, contact your bank immediately. If your identity is at risk, report it to the relevant cybersecurity authority. Cyber threats are everywhere, but now you know how to spot and stop them. Stay vigilant, keep your devices secure, and always use strong passwords. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Stay safe online, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Have a good day.